Elementor add-ons look amazing until you actually try building a landing page that makes people take action. And that's when the reality hits. Limited widgets, slow performance, poor mobile layouts, and everything feels half done until you pay for their pro versions. So how do you build a landing page that is actually effective and feels premium without spending $1? That's exactly what I will show you in this video. My top 3 free Elementor add-ons that actually works for a fully functional landing page. So let's get started. Alright, first one, Essential Add-on. Now, if you're running a flash sale or limited time offer, your landing page should make visitor feel that little, oh no, I might miss this moment. And the free version of Essential Add-on already gives you all the main tools to create that feeling. See this scarcity-driven campaign landing page that I created using just the free widgets from the Essential Add-on. So first you get this free countdown timer widget, super important. That ticking clock at the top of the page reminds people that time is running out. You get to customize it however you want, make it bold, small, or even more stylish using all these options. Doesn't matter. What's matter, it's counting down and people see it, and that alone pushes them to act faster. Then you got this progress bar widget. This is where you show things like 80% of the deal already claimed or seats almost filled. And when people see the bar filling up, they feel the rush. Like, if I don't grab it now, it will be gone. That's simple but powerful way to create urgency. And this widget gives you like plenty of options of styling and layouts options so you can showcase your progress bar in the exact design and layout you want. Now, I like how this add-on gives you this creative button widget with all kind of hover effects and styles. Like, you can make your call to action button stand out and feel clickable and urgent. Perfect for a scarcity campaign where every click counts. Okay, now get ready guys, because I'm going to show you the coolest thing ever. Essential Add-on gives you this free image accordion widget, and you can use this to showcase your highlights side by side in an interactive way. And it's perfect for highlighting the limited stock items, or maybe showing your team members, or anything you want to stand out in your campaigns, so your visitor can see the value and make faster decisions. And I really like this one-click glass effect look. It gives that modern frosted vibe, and honestly, it's one of my favorite little touch on any page. Next, for trust. And you already know how adding a little trust to your landing pages can dramatically increase the conversions by reassuring people that this deal is legit and others have benefited too. And for this, Essential Add-ons offer a free testimonial widget which allows you to easily display customer reviews and social proofs right on your page. And with each free widget, you get so many layouts, other styling controls to add a little more design tweaks. Now, if I'm being honest, I wish the free version had some built-in entrance animation too. You know, those cool fades in or slides in, but you can totally use Elementor's free animation alongside it to make that happen. So yeah, Essential Add-on gives you the urgency, the trust, the clear CTAs you need to run your scarcity-driven campaigns without paying for the pro versions. And guys, it does not stop here. There's also so much more you can get for free, so explore it by yourself. Okay, so second we have Happy Add-on. And if you're making a lead generation landing page and you don't want to spend any money, this is it. It got all the stuff you need to turn visitors into lead totally for free. See this lead generation landing page that I built using only the free version of the Happy Add-on. So first up, your headline. And honestly, if your headline doesn't grab attention, people will bounce in 2 seconds. And to fix that, Happy Add-on gives you the gradient heading widget for free. So your headline doesn't look boring, it pops with color and instantly grabs attention using all the styling controls. Then of course the buttons. Now Happy Add-on gives you this dual button widget for free to create side-by-side CTAs. And honestly, that's very rare in free add-ons. Now I'll be real with you. Using dual button on landing pages are not always the best practice, but in some cases, it is actually a smart strategy. First, when you want to capture 2 types of users, like one button for beginner or people just researching, and other for users who are ready to buy or claim your offer. This way, marketing and sales can plan their next step for each group. Second, for data and insight. Sometimes when one button gets more click than the other, it shows you what people like better. So you can change your page or offer to be even better for your visitor. It's like a quick test for the website owners or the marketers to learn what works best. So use this free dual button widget by Happy Addon to guide different type of visitor, give them clear choices, and learn what really drives click. Okay, now comes the visual. Because let's be real, nobody's going to read the giant wall of text. And for that, I really like this image grid widget that Happy Addon gives for free. It's really effective to use an image grid on your landing page if you want to show different services you offer, your workflow, the strategies and tools you use. It lets people see what you offer at a glance instead of making them read paragraphs. And I really enjoyed playing around with all these useful and smart styling controls you get with this widget. Like you can add filters to organize everything by category, you can choose different layouts to match your design, and you can set the columns to control how many images show in each row. Anyways, let me just revert back to my original design. And done. Now, of course, you know how social proofs work on a lead generation landing page, right? Because without trust, nobody's going to sign up. And for that, Happy Addon gives us the free logo grid widget. It's perfect for showing the logos of brands you have worked with, partners, or even the clients. And also there's this free testimonial widget. That's where you drop in the reviews or the feedback from the real people. Together, these build instant credibility. Visitors see it and think, okay, this is legit. And then of course, the heart of any lead generation landing page, the form. Now, Happy Addon or Elementor doesn't give you its own form builder, but Happy Addon totally fixed that with its free form integration. And here's how it works. Just install a free form plugin. It can be a Contact Form 7, the Ninja Forms, the WP Forms, or whichever you like. Build your form inside that plugin. The name, email, messages, or whatever info you want to collect. Use Happy Addon form widget to pull that form right onto your landing page. And finally, style it however you want, change color, fonts, button design, even spacing so it matches your page and looks super clean. And done, now you got a form that not only works but also looks good. Now here where it gets fun. Not every landing page needs to feel serious. Some audience, like the younger ones, respond better to pages that feel alive and vibrant. And there too, Happy Addon lets you add that playful vibe to your landing pages without any complex design skills. For example, the shape dividers. Now, Elementor does give you a few basic shape dividers, but let's be honest, they are a bit plain. But Happy Addon on the other hand comes with around 20 plus creative free shape dividers, and they look way more fun. With this, you can break up sections using cool shapes instead of boring straight lines. It adds personality and flow. And finally, the floating effects. They are my favorite for playful landing pages. Little movement like icons gently floating, shapes drifting, or images bouncing slightly. They give your page that youthful modern vibe. It feels less like a boring template and more like an experience. And hey, if you still don't want to start from scratch, Happy Addon gives you 70 plus pre-built landing pages template. So yeah, Happy Addon Free isn't just about giving you the basics, it's all about giving you the fun tools to make a lead generation landing page that fits your audience vibe. Now, third one we have XPro Elementor Addons. Now, let me just say this straight. If you're building a landing page for brand awareness and keep people engaged, the free version of XPro Addon is a bit of a hidden gem. Like, see this landing page that I built using only the free version of the XPro Elementor app. For example, this 2-color heading widget. Elementor only gives you the plain text, but with XPro, you can make dual color titles so you can style and highlight the exact word or phrase you want people to notice. On a landing page, that's huge because the headline is usually the first thing people read. Then there is this before and after widget. Like you can see, it's an eco-friendly brand and they are showing the visual of before using disposable plastic versus after switching to their reusable product. Now, it's not about selling anything. It shows the impact your brand is making, which makes people remember your mission and encourages them to join your community or take part in your cause. Next up, the free content toggle widget. Here I have used it for a quick myth versus fact, like the myth that eco products are costly, and with one click it flips to the fact that reusable actually saves money. And that's the beauty of this widget. Instead of dumping all the information at once, you let people discover it interactively. And that little interaction keeps them exploring and helps your brand stick in their mind. And using these options here, you can choose how the information shows up. You can type it in directly as plain text, you can use a template you have already made, or you can set it to dynamic so it updates automatically. And then there is this team widget. People connects with people, right? And this widget lets you showcase your team members with photos, their roles, and maybe short bios. It humanizes your brand and builds trust because visitor can see there's a real team behind the business. Then, this add-on also gives you this free news sticker widget, which you can use to show the headlines or latest announcement in a scrolling banner, making your brand feel active and dynamic. Just add the updates you want to show as headlines on your page, pick the layout you like, and it does the job super quickly. And of course, while I've just mentioned these specific widgets, XPro's free version gives you a whole lot more free widgets you can use for all kinds of landing pages. Whether it's brand awareness like this, lead generation, or even conversion-focused sale pages. You can make them all feel premium without ever touching a paid plan. And it's not just widgets. They also give you over 15 plus free extensions. You got floating effects like this to make things gently move on the page. Entrance animation, so your elements come in with motion and grab attention as people scroll. And even XPro icons, which is literally a giant free icon library built in. That's super handy because it keeps your design clean without needing extra plugin. And the best part, all this stuff is lightweight and responsive. Some add-ons can literally slow down your site, but XPro's free version feels so smooth. On mobile, desktop, and tablet, it just works. And hey, another huge plus is the free version of XPro add-on doesn't just give you free tools to build the perfect landing page, but it also gives you a free theme builder. That means you can design your site-wide header, footer, and even blogs or archive pages without Elementor Pro. So even if you have installed it just to build a landing page, you won't need a bunch of other add-ons for your site later. Because XPro already covers all those needs because it's sort of a complete add-on for Elementor users. So yeah, these were my 3 best free Elementor add-ons for landing pages. Now remember, I have shown each one with a specific type of landing page, but that does not mean it's limited there. The win here is the flexibility. You can use them solo or mix and match these add-ons for any kind of page you want. Maybe it's urgency, lead generation, or purely brand building. And the best part, you can make them look premium without paying a single dollar. So go try them out, experiment, and build the landing pages that actually convert all for free. Now that's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next.